Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the building permit of Light and Shadow Grille Ceiling in Heartopia. So during the spring season, Heartopia has a special event that called Dreamlight Cinematic, and in this event there's a battle pass where you can unlock lots of cool rewards like this, and then if you want to get the building permit of Light and Shadow Grille Ceiling, you need to reach battle pass level 7 like this. And so how do you level it up? You need to collect festival points like these points. You can get these points from festival catalog rewards, and then festival limited collections rewards, and even you can get it from the resident request or daily quest. So make sure to keep doing the all tasks at the event and then just claim your all points. And once you finally reach level 7, you will get this building permit automatically and you can use it on your build modes. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.